Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the if formula in LibreOffice Calc. The if formula is useful when you want to to check a condition and then show one result if the condition is true and another result if the condition is false. In this case, I have a simple student marks table with three columns: name, marks, and result. The goal is simple. If the student gets 50 or more, the result should say pass. If the mark is less than 50, the result should show fail. So first, click inside the first empty result cell. And in this case, it is C2. And then you have to type this formula. I'm just going to copy and paste it here on the comment section below and then click enter. Okay, so this student says pass. You can just drag it to the end and it will show the students that passed and the one that failed. So everyone that are above 50 they passed, and the one below 50 they failed. So in some of the variations you may need to use commas instead of semicolons. So try those variations. I'm going to leave those formulas too.